How to cancel an order on SHEIN. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel an order on SHEIN. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll have to open up the app or the website for SHEIN and also log in into your account from which you basically made the order. After you do that, what you can do is just head over to your Me option on the bottom right. Then there you'll find My Orders section. Tap on View All. There you'll find the order that you basically have. What you'll have to do is under there, you'll need to choose the specific order that you wish to cancel and then click on Cancel Order button. So sometimes you might not be able to cancel if the order has already been shipped. In that case, you'll have to simply return the order and not cancel it. So if you have not paid for the order or if it's processing, you can still cancel it. And it's really simple. Just select the order and tap on Cancel Order button. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.